Jennifer's working at the computer in there. You can see our little puppy, Sally. Well, it's raining outside. I want to take Sally out since she's been a puppy. It hadn't rained. I want her to see rain. Come on, Sally. Let's go. Let's go outside and see the rain. Come on, let's go. Come on, Sally. It's okay. There she goes. She got her squirrely. Come on, let's go see the rain. You're making me dizzy. Come on, let's go. Come on. Let's go see the rain. Go get it. Go get squirrely. Yay. Oh my. Oh, you're getting wet, Sally. There she is. Go tell Mom. Didn't like that too much. Hey, go get Squirrely. Squirrely's out there. Go get Squirrely. Go get Squirrely, Sally. No? Okay. Alright. Good girl. Oh. Good dog. Hey, Sally. Hey, Sally. Hey, Sally. Need some flowers.